Hi, welcome to Book My Trucks Packers and Movers Bangalore. Today we're showing you our complete packing and moving process. This relocation is carefully planned from Kasturba Road, Bangalore to Mysore. In this video, you'll see how our experienced team packs each item properly using quality packing materials. We also demonstrate our safe loading process and how items are arranged securely inside the truck for damage-free transportation. From start to finish, you'll understand how we make every move smooth, safe, and tension-free. Stay with us and watch the complete video. And now, you're watching how our staff carefully packs delicate items one by one. We are handling crockery and glasswares. Each item is individually wrapped in newspaper, then secured with bubble wrap for extra cushioning and protection. After wrapping, the items are placed neatly inside strong cartons with proper padding to avoid movement during transit. As mentioned, this move is from Bangalore to Mysore. We follow the same packing process for local Bangalore moves and within a 100 to 300 kilometers radius. Here you can see the center table being neatly packed using a thick foam sheet for safe protection during the move. In the same way, we carefully pack furniture like sofa sets, dining tables, wardrobes, beds, and center tables using proper protective materials. The same packing method is used for home appliances like refrigerators, washing machines, microwaves, and air conditioners for safe transport. Book My Trucks Packers and Movers is a Bangalore-based firm with nearly 15 years of experience. And we have our own trained staff who know how to handle every item safely and professionally. Our office is located in HSR Layout, Bangalore. You're always welcome to visit and book your slot directly. Alternatively, we can send our executive to inspect your goods and provide you with the best possible quote. We would like to share a small awareness message. Nowadays, many aggregators in Bangalore do not handle the work directly and simply pass customer details to local drivers, which can sometimes lead to issues during the move. It's better to avoid such aggregators and choose a direct service provider, even if the price is slightly higher. This helps prevent last-minute issues and ensures a smooth move. Here you can see how the dressing mirror is packed properly to avoid damage and scratches during the move. And our employees handle every item as if it were their own. All our staff have around 8 to 12 years of experience in the packing and moving industry, so they know how to manage delicate goods safely and professionally. The mattress is being packed using a customized mattress protector, specially prepared by us, to ensure it stays clean and safe during transportation. Here you can see the cot being dismantled carefully, and once it reaches the destination, we will assemble it back properly. Now, almost all the packing work is completed. Our staff are moving the items one by one using the lift. If any item does not fit in the lift, they carefully carry it down manually. After bringing all the items downstairs, the loading process has started. Here you can see our team carefully loading and arranging the goods properly inside the truck. Each item is placed in the right position to avoid damage during transportation. Apart from local shifting, we handle international moving services, domestic relocation services, including two-wheeler and car transportation, office and commercial relocation. Now you can see our driver. He's well-trained, responsible and professional. And now we have arrived in Mysore safely and on time. If customers need carton boxes to pack their belongings on their own, they can visit our office and collect them. We can also deliver the boxes directly to their doorstep for convenience. We also provide storage service for short-term and long-term. Your goods will be kept safe and secure. Now you are seeing the household goods unloading process at the destination. Our team is carefully unloading each item one by one and placing them safely inside the house. We recommend booking packers and movers at least 1 week in advance to avoid last-minute issues and ensure smooth planning for your move. And now we are about to wind up our work. Our team is carefully taking care of the unpacking and arranging the items properly at the destination. Thanks for watching our video. For booking and inquiries, call us at 872-274-4888. Visit our website www.bookmytrucks.codotin or write an email info@bookmytrucks.codotin.